Okay guys, it's lunchtime and I'm making pizza on the grill. Okay, step number one, get one of these generic pizza sauces and just kind of drizzle it on each piece of bread. I'm not always a big fan of bread pizza because sometimes it seems like it's soggy, but hopefully the grill will take away that dilemma. Really lather it on here now. Okay, save the jar. Got some cheese already opened, so I'm going to use this bag up first. So just kind of put it in. The piece on the end will probably be mine because I don't want that much sauce. Clumps it out. Don't worry, this is not the end of the cheese. I'll probably put some more on. I don't know. Just gonna see. Just kind of make sure you have clean hands. Kind of push it around. Then I have some black olives. Just kind of take what I got. I've heated up my grill to 400 degrees. And have some mushrooms here. I'm a little bit worried that these mushrooms aren't going to be as cooked as I'd like them to be, but the sauce will probably cook it up. I don't know how loaded I really want it. This one's got to get moved up a little bit, I think. Yeah. Yippers. I could tent it in the grill at the end. We have been working all day, so... What else do I got here? Oh yeah, got some ham. Just some slice up ham. Kind of just let it all flow together. I figured whatever is left from this, I could make some loaded hamburgers or something. Hot dogs probably. I know it sounds weird, but it'll work. And then I'm going to grab some onions. This is a lot of stuff, guys. A lot of stuff. Hang on, time for more cheese. Here it is, more cheese. Just a little sprinkling. Give it a little bit of, get everything together here. Now how's that look, guys? Pretty good, huh? Hang on, we're gonna go put it on the grill. You talk.
You talk.
You talk. Okay, we talk.
Okay, we both talk. We're going to try making pizza on the grill. French pizza, we use the bread with the sauce and some ham and onions and mushrooms, black olives,
hey,
everything.
Do you think those mushrooms would cook?
Yeah, they should.
The sauce to cook them? So this is our new handy-dandy grill. Look.
It's got a temperature gauge so that we opened it up so some of the heat escaped, but it stays on about 375 to 400 on low.
Well, show them the grill, what it's all about while the pizza's cooking.
Well, I got to keep the lid closed.
Okay, well...
It's got the pan or the shelf for putting your utensils on. You
we got this at
side burner.
Home Depot, right?
Yes.
And it has a... which I came running out the clay with the lighter. I gotta light the grill.
You need to light the grill with it. It's got the automatic striker, like all of them have. You push in.
So I can cook right over here then.
Yeah.
Well, Clay talked about buying me a new stove this year. I guess he did. I said no because it still works.
He's done. He just in time for lunch.
Okay. That's okay. Here we go. Have this all cooked up there?
Yep.
Okay, guys, we'll be right back in a minute. We've got a buddy.
Got a company here.
Well, guys, the beauty of the grill and living on a busy street. So Clay's old buddy, I guess from school, stopped by for a second. And he went home to get his wife, and they're going to have pizza with us. So the grill is working out nice. We didn't expect to have company, but that's nice because that's why I always cook you always cook a little extra, right?
Yeah, always cook extra.
Because you never know who's going to come by or if you want dinner for yourself later. So that'll be nice for us. So we have a little company for lunch. And so you can see the grill temperature. You want to show anything else about the grill? The knobs?
No, it's just the standard Dynaglow.
So fortunately for me, Clay made iced tea earlier. I did a bunch of stuff earlier, so we'll relax with friends this afternoon and have some pizza. And it is Sunday afternoon, and this is one of the things that happens as we live here. People stop, beep, pop over. And Clay grew up in the town, so it's just laid back and relaxed. So I'm working on some sewing. And we're just sitting out here relaxing, enjoying the day. And this is Sunday. Okay, guys, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. God bless.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.